So it's quite concerning when all these extraordinary things are added on that you can take your driver's license away for. What's more important, let's say you live in Michigan and you move to Florida. Michigan has control over if you don't pay them the fee for renewing your license or if you don't pay the vehicle registration fees, but you're no longer there, then you can lose your right to drive in Florida or Texas or any place else in the country. We have other things out here in the ether that is crazy. We have a Highway Safety Act of 1966 that requires due process, fact-based laws, equal protection. Then we have things like the Driver License Pact the Driver Pact of 1984, which allows different standards of adjudication where no due process even applied to take your license away. And in that case, even tickets you get out of country can be caused to take your driver's license away. And when you think about it, your driver's license is a primary tool for you to work, make a living, travel freely, everything. So my point of this whole conversation is the driver's license is a subset of a right. And it's not a privilege in any way, shape, or form. And there can be standards for establishing it, which is reasonable, but having to renew it every couple years and pay a fee to somebody to stay in good standing is crazy, unless there's something there that needs to be looked at as far as your capabilities on one hand, and it can't be tied to a geographic or a location where you no longer have domicile. But at the other side of the coin is you can't get it anyplace else unless you create a domicile, so you can't even become legal to be a free citizen going through the United States anywhere without creating allegiance to a particular area that you have no connection to other than a requirement to law in order to function.